Basahin mo nga ulit.
Scared of heights or ice and rice is as long as zipline.
Hadonggan! Okay, manood na tayo ng Hadonggan. Let's go, Hadonggan.
It's near Hadonggun.
Hadonggun, just tumidida.
Today we're going to Hadong. I love Hadong!
Ayun na yung baby girl, oh.
Ano baby girl?
Yan yung baby girl.
Sana all baby girl.
Si baby girl.
Amazing experience. This is awesome.
Wow, may pa-awesome.
Awesome.
Kaso nga lang, may copyright yung kanta. Sorry.
Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm gonna
No,
get ready with me. So there's a fan.
I'm gonna just get ready with me na.
Of course, toothbrush. I heard that there's a long trip, so I need to bring power bank.
Uy, kailangan din namin yan kasi pupunta kami sa concert. Magla-livestream kami doon. Tapos ano,
kailangan natin charger na talaga.
Ng power bank din.
Maghapon tayo dyan hanggang
After
gabi.
this video, I need to take a shower. And I think we're done, guys. Bye-bye.
Buti nga siya, medyo mas matagal pa eh. Si Kyler kakaiba.
Day of packing. So, let me show you
Pinakita na
my
lang
number
ganun.
one
Tapos
item
na.
for this trip.
Yon, JBL! Pag nakakita ka na sa namin, JBL agad yan!
Sunglasses. You need it for the sunny days, of course, and for sleeping when it's too bright inside the car during the
Ako
commute.
nilalagyan ko to ng ano, ng pang ganun
It's
dito.
a portable electric fan that goes.
Eh, kailangan pala natin din ng ganyan, ano?
Yun, bitin na lang natin.
Uy,
yung
laos
ano.
na ba yung pang maypay? Naalala ko dati, ganun. Pag lobat ka na, wala ka na yung maypay, tatapon mo na. O kaya papasa mo sa kaibigan mo, uy,
Para sa naman yung magpapaypay.
So yeah, that's what I'm packing for this trip. And yeah, see you on the trip.
Summer pa siguro. Ay, hindi na summer niya, di ba?
And I will bring some clothes and pajamas.
Ano? Sorry. Wala akong
Puro base.
maintindihan.
Sunscreen for the sun. And if we're going to have an
You know.
guys, I'm really
For the
excited.
flex out.
See you guys there. Bye.
Hello, good morning, everyone.
Yes,
We're gonna be traveling. Yes, we're very.
Kasimula pa lang, nahanto ko na. Buti na, Racer.
Paano na?
Buti na, naghiwalay si Racer tsaka si Kyler. Si Racer din, si Kyler sa kabila, no?
Ganun na agad si Racer, simula pa
So,
lang.
tingin ko si Racer ang babangka dito, eh.
Excited. We don't know, but we're #excited. I don't know. Where do you want to go? Like, do you want to? Oh, I want to swim. I want to swim, but I'm not ready. We have lots of schedules recently, so this is the perfect time to explore Korea because after all, we are tourists here. We still have lots that we haven't gone to, so we're very excited. So I hope you come along with us and let's go. Enjoy
May
together.
flower dito.
Ang sayang no, hindi sila magkakasama as a group, ano?
Oo, mas masaya yan pag mas magulo.
Okay. Who wants to throw? You want to throw?
Yeah.
I don't think Kim is a good thrower.
Let's go.
Okay, yeah, stretch first. Stretch first.
Kala mo naman talaga ang layo-layo.
Okay, go. 3, 2. Okay. Where? It's near.
Ano kaya, no? Pag medyo nataas yung hagis, no?
Hindi, pero baka ano lang naman
Mapupunta
to.
sila sa north nun. Delikado yun. Wag dun, Horizon, ha?
Sa DMC yung bagsak nila.
Buti kung sa DMC, paano pag lumagpas ng DMC? Yari na.
Hindi yata, parang soul lang yata to. Parang map lang yata ng soul.
Soul lang ba yan?
Oo, hindi naman yata ng buong Korea. Nakakaba naman pag buong,
Kabahan naman
diba?
ako. Mahirap yung ganun.
Hadonggun. Oh, it's there. It's here. Hadonggun!
Gabi, imagine mo kung nag-jejo sila biglang ano, di ba? Mag-jejo ka or biglang busa ng punta mo layo.
I think we're almost there. To Hadong. We should plan what we should do.
What do you want? Like,
We wanted to go to Hadong, to the Samjin River. Yeah, let's check that out. Because I searched it online and it's a very popular place
Pero
in
grabe,
Hanoi.
no?
Let's
Parang
go.
kahit saan ka magpunta sa kanila, meron
Traveling
ka
in
pwedeng
Korea.
puntahan.
Oh no! What? I think there's a problem with the area. I think it's closed for today.
Why? What happened?
I think it overflowed the river. If we ever go there, we can
Baka
do
umulan.
the activities like the canoe and stuff. We'll just be there probably, but like no activities.
So let's
So we
change
need to.
our plan.
Yeah, we need to find another one.
Yan ang ano
suggest,
dyan. Yan ang
Mister,
ano
what
dyan
do-
sa
like,
sa
ganyan,
ganyan, ano?
impromptu.
What kind of
I don't know. Because earlier you said
Hindi
you
naman kasi ano eh, mapre-predict ang ano eh,
Oo.
weather eh.
wanted like something
Ay,
sweet.
may pag-asa ba sila makapunta ng Jeju, just in case?
Kung yung mapa nila buong South Korea. Pero,
Isa kasi sa ano eh, parang
pero-
highlighted lagi yung
Oo,
Jeju. eh.
oo.
Swimming. So
Pero maganda naman
we
talaga
searched
Jeju.
something connected
Buong,
to
sabi niya, buong
water
South Korea po
bodies.
yung map
But
na
now,
binabato nila.
what's-
Hindi buong South Korea.
Pero baka kasi na-avoid talaga nila yung North kasi doon lang talaga sila sa baba. Eh kasi imagine mo naman, pag bato mo, di ba, biglang Jeju yung pupuntahan mo.
mamaya,
Kaya,
maikarga sila sa
Panorte.
bomba.
Your next suggestion. I think. How about high things?
hiking or like what we call it?
The zip
lines.
lines. The zip lines, or like the what's that called again? The one where you hang. Yeah, I think it's zip line.
Zip line, I've tried it before,
You've tried it before?
and it's not scary.
ayun, yun lang.
Try VG.
No. I'm just gonna. If ever we go to the zip line, I'm just gonna be there to support you guys.
If there's a zip
Fighting,
line,
taga
Wag
ganun.
ganun, wag ganun,
Unfair.
Vinci,
That's
wag ganun.
unfair.
Uy, pero dapat mag-ganun nga si Vinci kasi hindi man nakakailo yun eh. Kasi nakaraan di ba nahilo siya?
Pero nakakalula lang pag masyadong mataas yung ano.
Oo, pero...
Pero bata pa naman siya, kaya mo yan, 24 ka pa lang.
Hindi, old na daw siya, sabi niya sa nakaraang press ko eh.
I'll be very happy.
Oh, there is. It's a long one. Oh my gosh! Look at those clouds.
Hello, Marie Lenny Convento. O yan, kompletong bati sa'yo. Ah.
I can't believe it's amazing.
No. Wait, that's like. Wait, but like that looks so cool. Like it looks. Okay.
Nakakatakot.
We have zip line.
Gusto mo
This is
magganyan?
our first itinerary.
And
okay lang.
zip line, that's
Pero basta kailangan secure
it
talaga
actually
yung
takes
ano.
Oo.
a long
Pero
time.
ganyan na tayo dati.
Oo, pero malapit lang naman yung ano.
Oo.
Pero nakakatawa mag-zipline.
Time
Pero may
to
iksi
go
lang kasi
there,
yung
so
pinuntahan natin.
we will now just rest for a while. Wait, let's go. Yeah. Let's go. So we're gonna be having a rest stop and we're gonna have some lunch and yeah,
so
let's
mga
find
service
what
area ng ganito sa Korea,
we should
maraming
eat.
kung ano-anong
What
pagkain.
do you guys want to eat right now?
Of course we want.
I
Yung mga
want
ibang
some
artista parang
soup.
gusto
Oh, you
nila
want
nagpupunta sa
soup?
ganito kasi ang dami
Okay,
kung
let's
ano-ano.
find. Oh, there are lots of options here. In the Philippines, it's also like this too. There's like rest stops and gas station. You didn't know?
Of course.
Hindi, nakikiride lang si Racer. Siyempre, parang,
Sinasakyan niya eh.
siyempre, ganun. Vlog yan eh. Ano ba naman doon si Vinci? Binasag agad si Racer.
You act like, you didn't know?
I'm excited to
Oh,
eat.
okay. We know how to read 한국어, 근데 영어 is
Yay!
wow. Oh,
Yun lang ang nakakatawa kasi
Oh, wow.
nakakabasa na sila.
Which one is ours?
Kaya na rin
Is this
ng
ours?
order.
Ito yung, ano, ito yung gusto ko dati, yung una ko napanood yung Horizon eh. Yung parang Filipinos in Korea. Parang ganun kasi yung dating sa
Kaya
akin.
magandang panoorin eh,
Hindi siya yung parang K-pop na usual
sila
na.
sa bansa
Oo,
nila.
oo.
Hindi,
Kasi
Pinoy
Koreans
sila.
na to eh. Di ba? Eh, ito kasi Pilipino. Pag nandun, parang interesting.
Yung, ano yung dating sa kanila ng mga lugar,
Ah.
yung ano nila, impression nila.
So this is the biggest tonkatsu we have ever seen in our lives. And this is kimchi jjigae.
Ah!
My favorite,
kimchi
Kim.
jjigae.
And we are sharing.
Para sa akin, yun ang pinakamasarap na Korean
Ay,
food. Para sa
sige.
akin. Yun, at saka yung ano yung isa? Yung may mga processed food.
Baka, budechige.
Budi ba yun?
Tteokbokki ramyeon. Tteokbokki.
Alam na, ingit
And
ako
we
kay
have so
Kim.
much banchan. Let's feed the viewers.
Ah. Ang sarap din kapag malamig. Yung malamig yung panahon. Tapos may kimchi jjigae ka.
Thank you. This is so cheap. This is only 7,000 won.
Wow. It's more
It looks more
7,000 won
appetizing.
is
The reality.
4 times
Oy,
7.
magkano ang 7,000 won? Comment down below sa mga nasa live stream.
Yung mga 7 times mga 7 times 280 pesos.
Ganda.
O ganun, 300.
Mahal.
The picture.
Mahal kasi taga rito tayo eh.
Yum, 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 yum.
Nahihingit ako dun sa kay
Guys, we just finished eating
Our meal.
our lunch, because it's a long way still to Hadonggung. So now that we've eaten, we're recharged and ready to go
Hindi
and
ko kaya yung ganyan, wala akong energy.
again.
Yung pagbiyaheng malayo. Pagtapos ng pagdating sa mga rest stop na ganyan, naantok ako, gano'n. Wala akong energy. Tapos kailangan lagi ako may yun. Ay, kailangan pala natin bumili nun.
Alin
Para sa hilo, kasi
We
mabiyahe na
are
naman bukas.
now here sa
Lagi ako may hilo.
in Hadong. Yay! It was such a long ride, but we're finally here sa zipline area, in the zipline where we will do.
Oo, yan, 295 pesos daw.
No, not up, like down,
300.
bro. Guys, the wind is winding. Yeah. So we got our tickets and we're going to get ready for the zip line. There's like different gears. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! It's so high. It looks so high.
I can do that.
Oy, sabi ni Sheila, 295.98 pesos ang kilowatt, sabi ni Google.
Anong kilowatt?
Maraming salamat po, Sheila Yang, sa iyong pag-comment down below.
Exciting. Oh my gosh. No. I'm
Yung
ready.
siya lang ang mukhang mag-e-enjoy dito.
일단 처음엔 저기서 구석에서 간단하게 체급을 잴 겁니다. 체급을 재고 맞는 밴드 드리고
아,
밴드는 손목에다가 재주시면 되겠습니다.
신발 신고 올라오세요.
괜찮아요?
네, 신고 올라오세요. 네, M 플러스십니다.
You're like below small. You're like mini.
Extra small. M입니다.
Oh, 진짜요? Wow. You leveled up.
아니, 신발 신고.
Sorry.
M 플러스십니다.
Yay. And plus, they are wearing.
Kasi di ba pag yung para sa nila, equipment na gagamitin.
Oh yeah. Sorry guys, but I'm very scared of heights and not into extreme stuff. So I'm passing this one. He's not scared at all.
So
Hindi niya
sad.
kaya.
So sad.
Hindi niya kaya talaga.
He's very confident. He's very 자신감 있어요. Yeah. How about you? 자신감 있어요? Confidence? 없어요. 귀여워. 아, 네네네. Oh, there's a video to watch.
감사합니다. 여기는 지바이어 안전교육장입니다.
kompleto sila, no? Meron pa silang
여러분이
mga
착용하신 장비는 하네스입니다. 탑승
Nandiyan na
시
yung mga instructor.
할 것이고
I can't tell if Kim is excited or he's scared.
I'm
scared, guys. So now they are wearing the safety gear for the zip line.
Yung itsura ni Kim parang hindi mo na maipinta.
What do you feel?
Ano yung parang ngiti siya na parang... Alam mo yung ngiti na ganyan, parang... yung ganun.
Parang ano yun. Parang alam mo yun,
Kaya ko to, kaya ko to.
And how about you, cat number 2?
Okay.
Meow, 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 meow. It's just a sequel to the song. We're actually in the bus right now to the higher. To the higher. We fly
mali, to the sky high.
to the higher. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. I literally changed my mind.
Ayaw mo na uwian na,
Change your mind
kuya.
right now. You're already here.
Guys.
Let me so.
We love Hadong. Hey.
Guys. Oh my god. I think I changed my mind. 진짜 이뻐. Wow.
Pero ang ganda ng
Guys,
view.
I
Ang
appreciate the
ganda ng
word.
view.
I appreciate the word. Wow, it's so pretty, guys. I think the
Yan ang
zipline
sinasabi ko,
area
dapat talaga may mga ganito tayo.
just start in that area,
No?
in the middle. But
So kasi wala
yeah,
tayong
this is like
ganyan.
from the top and then
Diba,
to the
pang
bottom.
flex
Oh my
ng ng
God.
view ng lugar.
Bro. No.
Ay, ayoko maglakad sa
I'm already
ganyan.
scared.
Pambihira. Nanginginig
why
yung
I
tuhod
can't
ko pag ganyan eh. Ay.
Bro. Let's jump. Oh my God. Oh my gosh.
Dapat yung mataas talagang talon.
Oh, sorry.
Talagang Buwis buhay? Sa Tagaytay? Oo, sa Tagaytay.
앉으시면 돼요.
Mula doon sa may tuktok papunta
Can
sa
you
bulkan.
type
Papunta sa bulkan. Doon sa bibig ng bulkan.
Shoot ka sa crater.
only here and there
Hindi.
Nung puputok.
because it's
Yung ganun.
available to hit your
Puputok
face.
yung bulkan.
Sakto.
So no need
You
to
hit the jackpot, ganun.
Kim, let's shout. I love Hadong. I love Hadong.
I love Adong for the content.
Let's go! I love Hadong! I love Hadong!
Wait! Anong wait? Kaya mo yan, Kim.
Ang bilis-bilis.
Ang bilis, oo.
Fighting Kim!
Kim, nakakaano yan. Ang layo.
감사합니다. Safe.
Safe.
It make me tears, guys. It's not scary, right? Yeah. It's fun. It's
Yeah.
so fun. But my legs are shaking.
It's fun, but my legs are shaking.
Do you see that? Let's go for
Eh,
the
may isa
second
pa,
round.
pangalawa.
Oo.
Kasi hindi pwedeng ganun kalayo eh. Baka.
It's not scary. It's not scary at all. It's so fun.
Ang ganda.
This is the point of view of a bird.
Pag ano ka, may maganda kang camera, no? May camera ka dito, no? Parang si Kim nag-enjoy ng sobra. Ang ganda!
Wow, amazing experience. This is awesome.
Kaya mo yan, Kim.
Wait.
Wait, huwag kang hihimatayin dyan.
Come on, guys. I'm gonna cry.
Umiiyak na yung baby girl.
Yay! Amazing.
Uy, ang saya.
Ganda naman
Perfect.
dun, grabe.
I want more. Best experience here in Korea.
Naniniwala ako sa'yo.
Did you see Hadong beautifully? Yes. Really beautiful.
Pero ang ganda
Let's
ng
see.
view.
Oh, there's pictures of you guys. So we're excited in our photo.
He's probably crying in his picture because he was crying tears of joy.
And I don't know how to react, so I just do my lazy pose.
Oh, you posed.
You
posed.
My pose.
At least you posed because he didn't. He was just like closing his eyes. Oh, it hit there.
Wow.
Talaga isang package kasama talaga yun, ano?
Thank you so much.
You're not looking at the camera. You were looking behind.
I think I'm looking
For Kim.
no at the bird.
You were talking to the bird.
To the bird.
Show the picture.
Ta-da!
Tapos may souvenir ka na kasama dun sa ano, no, sa package na yan. Parang ang sarap itry, no?
It won't it burn?
Kaso walang ganito. Oh, tapos na agad!
Ang bilis naman!
Akala ko pa
May reklamo.
Ang ganda naman yung kanila. Ang ganda.
Ang ganda nung pinuntahan nila. May susunod pa silang mga gagawin. Ay, gusto ko talaga tong content na to. Naaaliw ako ng
Pero
todo
so far,
dito.
parang mas masaya yung kanila kasi may mga ganyan-ganyan.
Oo, hindi kasi, ano eh, si Kim din kasi. I'm so excited, mga ganun.
Ayan, abangan natin yan.
Susunod.
Hadong Gun next time.
Don't forget to also like, share, and subscribe. Bye!
Bye-bye.